In this video, we will be going through the process of creating a contract. The contract will be the terms between you and your customer. We'll start by going to the customers on the left side panel. I'm going to choose a customer and click on the contract tab at the top. We'll notice the customer already has a contract set up. Keep in mind you can create more than one contract for each customer. I'm going to click on Create New Contract. You'll see that the customer name is already selected. You'll need to name the contract. You'll also need to set the date parameters of the contract. As a default, all of Atera's contracts are set for 3 years. I'm going to set this contract for 1 year. You can select for this contract to be active or not, depending on the terms of you and your customer. In order to be able to select this contract within a ticket, the contract must be labeled active. For your ordinary course of business with the client, you have the option of setting a default contract for the customer by clicking on Default. The next parameter we see is regarding tax. Tax is only accounted for labor. If relevant, we can check off the taxable box, and then you will need to create a tax rate according to your relevant state or country. Keep in mind, if you enable tax, it will be inclusive from the price placed below, meaning the tax percentage won't be added on top of the price. It will be calculated as part of the whole number placed in the rate field below. Continuing, we will select the contract type. There are several types available, from standard contracts, time blocks, monitoring, and projects. For each type of contract, you'll notice a brief explanation is provided alongside the contract type. You may also refer to our knowledge base articles for more extensive information on setting up each type of contract. So here I will select retainer flat fee. And then the next field is the contract amount. Generally kept at 1, but can vary based on the contract type. Next, we'll select the billing period, monthly. The billing period selected is an important field as it will dictate which relevant tickets will appear on your billing batch exports. Input the rate you will charge your customer from the drop-down field. If the rate isn't available, click on Add Rate on the above right information window to add a new rate. Lastly, select an SLA from your SLA profiles. If you have any notes from the contract, you may save them below. Once you're done, click Save. You've now created your new additional contract successfully. For further information, please head over to our extensive knowledge base articles or contact our support team directly.